Good day everyone. Today we will see how to create different sizes double sash door as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Rotate, arrow, enter, select object, base point, angle 90, enter, arc A, enter, center point, click here, okay, delete, mirror, click, enter. Okay, now go wipe out frame, enter, select wipe out frame, layer change, wipe out, go draw, center back, regional, okay, block B, enter, block name DDS, select object, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, okay, line L, enter, go construction, select line, enter, convert, okay, go parameter, linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, okay, select distance 1, distance 2, parameters, go properties, number of grips 0, chain action, yes, okay, select distance 3, parameter, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, number of grips 1, okay, select distance 4, parameter, go properties, rename, door width, enter, okay, now go actions, scale, select distance 1, parameter, select object, enter, scale, select distance 2, parameter, select object, enter, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve, select distance 2, parameter, okay, enter, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select rectangle, enter, stretch 1, select, go properties, angle 90, enter, okay, go stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve, select distance 1, parameter, okay, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select rectangle, enter, go stretch 3, select, go properties, angle 270, enter, OK, go stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, OK, enter. Now go parameters, alignment, click here, OK, again go parameter, flip, select midpoint, click here, click, OK, go actions, more, select wall depth parameter, parameter point, select object, select, flip, straight one, select, enter, go more, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, go actions, flip, select flip parameter, enter, type all, enter, OK, close block editor, save changes, click, OK, let's see. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.